In this video, I will quickly put you through on how to access apps on iPhone. Let's just get right into it. To access apps on iPhone, first unlock your iPhone. So once you unlock your iPhone, you will see these apps here. All right, you can see everything here are apps. All right, or better still, if you want to get to a specific app, all right, what you need to do is to search, all right, for that particular app. So here I'm here on this whole screen. So I will swipe this way, keep on swiping towards the left, all right, and until I get to this app library section. Okay, you can see every app is grouped here. You can tap on any of these groups and select an app you want to get to. Alternatively, you can see this app library heading where you have the search icon. Tap on it. And maybe I want to search for a specific app that I have already installed on this phone. Take for example, Pay Owner. I will type the name of the app, Pay Owner. Okay, you can see now as I'm typing, the best match is selected. All right, so I will then tap on the app, it will be launched. Okay, that's all. That's how you access app. Or if you want to get an app, you want to install an app on your iPhone, these are the steps you need to take. So first is to locate the app store. It comes pre-installed on every app's iPhone. Tap on that app store. Once you tap on the app store, all right, the next step you need to take is to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Okay, once you tap on that search icon, tap inside this search bar, and then type the name of the app you want to get to. Let's say I want to install Google Sheets. I'll type Google Sheets. Okay, Sheets. All right, once I finish typing the name of the app I want to get, I will tap on search. All right, once I tap on search, it will be show up, and I will tap on install. Here I have already installed it, and that's why it's showing update. I need to update it. So once you tap on that install or get button, the app will be installed on your iPhone, and you have it among the list of apps existing on your device. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions to ask concerning this. Please do that in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people because it's a valuable content. Watch this video here to learn more on how to complete some tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time.